Hi everyone, so today we're going to be talking about emotional intelligence, which was a theory developed by Daniel Goleman. And what he says is that it basically is the ability to identify and manage your own emotions, but as well as emotions of others that you're around and how they feel as well. So Daniel Goleman was an internationally known psychologist, and he was well known for his lectures that he did, and they were frequently for like professional groups, business audiences, and college campuses. As a science journalist, Goleman reported on the brain, behavioral science for the New York Times, and he did that for many years. So what his overall thesis was that there's 5 different categories of emotional awareness, and those are self-awareness, self-management, motivation, empathy, and social communications. Now, self-awareness is social awareness is the ability to understand your effect on others. So noticing when you hurt someone's feelings, or if you need to cater to someone's feelings. That's basically what social awareness is. Self-management is basically the ability to control your impulses. So knowing when to do certain things and knowing when not to do things. Motivation, on the other hand, is a passion in challenging yourself every day. So just wanting to improve yourself. Now, empathy is understanding others' point of view, so knowing where someone else is coming from. And then social communication is the ability to manage your relationships with your friends, colleagues, and possibly even your significant other. Those are all basic preview of what Goleman's 5 categories are. So he thinks that when you have emotional intelligence, you have low signs of depression, anxiety, you're overall physically better, meaning you're in the gym, you're doing things like that. He also thinks that problematic tendencies are lower, so that means not getting in trouble at school, getting good grades, not getting in trouble with your parents. That's what problematic tendencies he's thinking. Back up here to skills. Some skills that you might have if you have emotional intelligence. Being emotionally aware. So just knowing your surroundings. The ability to self-identify. So knowing when you're in the wrong, or the ability to tell people that you're wrong, and harnessing your emotions, and also problem solving. So these are my sources that I got most of my information from. But one thing that I do, the reason why I put the links here is because I want you guys to actually watch these videos, because even though all the information is in this presentation, the way that they execute the information is super cool, and I think that it's a great idea to watch. So that's my presentation on emotional intelligence. Thank you for joining me.